channel, or if you are new, hello and welcome. Today I wanted to do a very fun and colorful yet wearable makeup look for both spring and summer. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I create a blue and pink look, then please keep on watching. My base is already done. All products are always listed down below. Let's move on into the eyes. I want to start off with a super light pink shade as my transition. So I'm going to be taking the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And with a very fluffy crease brush, I'm going to be taking this first pink right here. I'm going to start applying that into my crease messily. I'm not worried about it being precise. I just want like some color to be there first before all the other colors. It's showing up so much on camera, but it does look a little bit deeper and pinker in person, but you can tell that I do have a color here on this crease and not on this one. Now that we have that laid out on both of our eyes, I'm going in with that same palette, but now I'm moving on to this third pink right here. It's a little bit darker. I'm picking that up. This is a concealer brush, but I mean, I think this is going to be really good to apply the pigment. Let me see how this works. If not, I'll go in with my finger. But basically what I want to do is just apply this pink all over my eyelid. I do want to leave a little bit of space here on the inner corner, as well as a little tiny bit of space here on the outer corner. That's where I want to be. I want to leave it empty so that I can go in later and apply the blue shade. Then I'm taking that first brush, cleaning it off, and then I want to very lightly go on top here on my crease, just to make sure there is no harsh lines. Sticking to that same palette, I'm going in with this blue right here. I'm taking it on a smudger brush, and I'm going to begin by stamping it like if I'm going to do like a wing eyeliner with this color. I just want to get like a sharp little thing here at the end. But then I think I want to like kind of fill it out into here. Let's see. Okay, so I think I got them as even as possible. Yeah, sure. Let's go with that. They look even. And so now let's go in with that same color into the inner corner. And I'm using a smaller brush for this. This is a super tiny concealer brush. So again, this is going to go into the inner corner. So that tiny bit of blank space that you left here, as well as here in the inner corner. And start dragging it here to the lower lash line. I do want to add blow away the excess there, the fallout. I do want to add right now eyeliner, blue eyeliner here to the bottom, but I'm just gonna start bringing it down. So I obviously want to brighten up that inner corner part. I just wanted the blue first, and then right now let's add in some blue highlight. For that, I'm going to be taking the Morphe 35i Icy Fantasy palette. I cleaned off that same brush. I'm going to be picking up the shade Cold Snap. It's a really pretty icy blue shade, so let's go ahead and brighten up that inner corner so it doesn't look like dull and dead. And I just used a tiny bit. You could already see what a big difference that shimmer brighter shade does for your eyes. It's beautiful. And then me, you know, I just have to add a little bit more of a highlight shade, like just a little touch to the inner corners, just a tiny bit more. So I'm taking the Aurora Glow Kit Highlights palette and then going into the blue highlight shade Orion with this little brush. And let's apply it right there. Love it. I did go in and I took the highlight a little bit here, as you can tell. And I just feel like this opens up my eyes a lot more, especially since I have smaller eyes. This little trick that I do definitely helps my eye shape. And now since we're on the topic of highlighting, I'm going to take this Wet n Wild highlight shade in the shade Blossom Glow. It's a cute little pink highlight, and I'm going to add pink here to my brow bone. Let's add that to the cheekbones as well. Pink highlight here and there. continue with eyes, I am going to work on my lower lash line. I just want to add this eyeliner. This one is from NYX. It's the Epic Wear Liner Stick, and this is in the shade Blue Trip. Wow, let me just say that went on so smoothly. That was the first time I used this. I got it a while back. This and a yellow one. Where's the yellow one? Yeah, a yellow one too. I got these a while back, but it was actually the first time with me trying this out, and I am obsessed. I love the color and I love how it went on. It glided like butter. So feel free, you can definitely smudge it out more, but I like how this looks for me, for my taste. Let's go in to finish the rest of the eyes. I do want to add a small winged eyeliner, super small, nothing too dramatic, and of course some mascara. And so there we have all the eyes done. Now it is time for lips. I do want to keep the lips pink and glossy. So first I'm going in with a super cute, I think my all-time favorite pink lip. Like when I think pink lips, this is my favorite. This is the Bare Minerals Matte Lippy, and this is in the shade Kissy Face. So even though I do want my lips glossy, this is just a nice pink base for my lips before I put on the gloss. On top of that, a gloss. Today I just feel like using this one. I haven't used this one in a while. This is the NYX Pump It Lip Plumper Gloss. This one is in the shade... where is it? 07 Elizabeth. Joss. Very fun, colorful, yet wearable springtime and summertime look. It does remind me a lot of cotton candy. Thinking about it, the blue and the pink, it's very cotton candy-like, so I think that's what I'm gonna name this. I hope you guys did enjoy. Give this a try. It is very simple but fun also at the same time. So give it a try when you are going out. This is a fun look for the nighttime or for the daytime, dinner, lunch, brunch, anytime. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you are not yet. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!